Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will see how to create a patient's database in Microsoft Access. So right click on your desktop, go to new Microsoft Access database, or you can go to start menu and open Access, then go to new and create a blank database. You can name it anything, but I'll name it patient because I'm creating it for patients. So let me name it patients database. Create. Now you will see a table number one. So you can add in the details of the patients. So for example, patient number, then patient name, disease or anything that he has, then blood group, then city. So let me add the details of this. So patient number one, then patient number two, then patient number three, so this is how you create the first table, that is the main table for patients in your database. So if you want to save the table, you can press Ctrl S and enter the table name. So I'll name it patient details. So this is my patient details table. Then I can create another table by going to create table. So I can also create a table for doctors or anything. So for example, if a doctor has any particular information about that patient or any particular records that he wants to add in the database, then he can do that too. So for example, if a doctor creates a database for the patient, so number, patient name, previous doctor, city. So for example, if the doctor wants to create another table for patient where he shows us the uh, previous doctors list, so he can do that as well. So let me enter just two values. So these are the two values. Now if you want to save it, press Ctrl S and name it another table for patients or anything you want to name it. So this is how you do it. And if you want to like print the details for something, or if you want to present this data of the database to a particular website or in a particular presentation, then any particular user can just go to create and create a report. So it will create a report for this table that is selected. So this will create a report for the patients. So the report is generated and this is how it is presented to us in the form of a report. And if you want to make changes in your report, you can just go to the table and make changes in the table, and that will save it to the report as well. So this is how you manage your database of patients that you create using Microsoft Access. And that is also how to create a table or a database for patients.